How to fix Snapchat SS06 code in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now in the search box type in Snapchat support and then search for it. Then navigate to this one website help.snapchat.com. Once you're on this page, scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the option contact us. Click on it. You'll be directed to this page. Submit a request. What can we help you with? Different topics will be available. Select I think my account was compromised. Then you'll be getting this option. Click here to contact our support team. Click on it. Now you'll need to fill out this form and then send it. So firstly type in your username, then type in your email address, type in the phone number that is linked with your Snapchat account. And over here you have to explain in detail about the issue. Mention the issues you are facing within your Snapchat account. And after you fill out this, you can click on submit. Once you submit this form, Snapchat support team will get back to you within few hours or few days. The Snapchat support team will provide you the solution for your issue. So until then, you have to wait. So this way you can fix Snapchat SS06 code in iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.